Morning guys, today we're going to work with some of IOD's first generation stamps that we were able to get. There are only so many, so now when they're gone, they're gone. I just used some with white erasable chalk ink on this little blackboard, and on this one it's just a whiteboard and I used some ink. But we're just going to play just a little bit with these and I'll show you how easy this is. So I made these blackboards. They were the old Formica tile things you would get at the hardware store, and I had a whole bunch of them. So I just painted blackboard on the front of this and put a little mold on there, but you could use any blackboard you want. And then what I'm gonna do is use the liquid erasable chalk ink, and one of their new old stamps that I got is called Curiosity. And this cute little paste jar, I've been using it for so many things. But if you don't have this, any stamp you have that has a jar on it would be really cute for this project. So just like a jar of flowers. Yeah. Some flowers in here. And I want to put the tip right there at the edge of the jar. So any flowers or little sprigs or vines or anything could go in your jar. And the nice thing about this chalk ink is if you don't like it, you just get it wet and start out and just wipe it off and start all over again. But if you let it dry, it won't just come off unless you use a baby wipe or use something and just wash it off. One thing I noticed about these cling stamps I got is they stick real nice and they don't seem to want to slide around as much. So this was just really simple, but it's kind of fun. And then you could just add a word to it or leave it plain, add some chalking around the edges, but it's just a fun little pot full of flowers. Now let's do it with black ink on a whiteboard. So I'm gonna do the same thing, but I just painted the board white, and I'm gonna use my cute Underwood paste jar. So it's kind of nice. I know you can put these on acrylic blocks to use, but I'm really finding it's just as easy just to use it as is. And it sticks really well. Make sure I let that little guy dry. You know what? I'm gonna pick some of the ink off the bottom. What I found is when I'm putting longer flowers in the jar, you kind of got to figure out what you're going to want. So I probably want it to about right there. So I'm taking the ink off. Or you could mask it. But this is almost as easy. I can see my line right there. And hopefully I cleaned it off the bottom well enough. Yay! Worked. Okay. Maybe I'll just add a few little leaves in. I'm going to let this dry for a second. Then I'm going to color in the tips of the flowers with a watercolor marker, and then we're going to wax it. So if I'm ever not sure that it's completely dry, I just real carefully just set a piece of paper, so my hands are full of ink, and just pick it up and look, and you can see there's still a little ink. So I'm just going to do it one more time, see if I can, so I don't smudge the ink anywhere. Got a little on there, but I think it's okay enough that I can do my watercolor. So which one did I want to use? That was it. So I'm just using one of my watercolor markers, and all I'm going to do is just color in the tips of these. And actually you could just color the whole thing in if you really wanted to. I just wanted just a little teeny bit of an accent in here. I'm just going to do a quick little sand around the edges. And I usually use clear first, because then it kind of just coats it, but then I'll use some dark, but at least if I do dark first and it's way too dark, it's harder to get it off. But if you start with clear, then you put dark on, it's easier to take some of that darkness off. A friend of mine sells this DIY wax, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna try it. Everybody's been going on and on about it. It's great, it's great. I'm not fumigating the whole house, because my other wax is so strong we have to open the windows when I use it. What do you think? Isn't that kind of cute? So here are some other chalkboards that I did, just using the liquid erasable white chalk. Like I said, if you don't like it, just wipe it off and start over again. And these are just some boards that are white that I use black ink on. So just have fun and play, and I really just wanted to show you how it was so fun just to use any jar stamp you have and you could fill it full of flowers. So it's just another fun idea. Thanks, guys.